What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this crochet hairstyle using the crochet passion twist. And girl, this hairstyle make you look like you have single braids. It make you look like you have single braids, but guess what? That's an illusion we want to create. Oh, that's all right. Okay, hope so. But what I did, I parted the front to a section and I put elastic into the other one, and I do like 2 rows to the side, 3 row, like 3 to catch in the other one to the front. I don't know if I can explain properly, guys. If I don't explain properly, just watch a little video, because sometimes I feel like I can't explain myself. But when you do what I was telling you to do with the elastic metal, all you did to the front is just put it in the center of an elastic band and just crochet through. Easy and simple. It's a short tutorial. What's wrong with my English? Sure. Anyways, it's a short tutorial. I hope that's the word, but forgive me if it's not. And then all I want to do is create that, and then girl, this hairstyle comes straight through. It's a short. So just watch, enjoy the little video. Yep, guys, I didn't do the catch up on camera because I was too lazy that day to do that. So I just said, let me just do the cushion to show them on the camera. Okay? So forgive me, okay? And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and help a young YouTuber grow. Okay? What's wrong with me at this? Okay. Whatever. Where I see where there is too much of space, I just put a hair in between. It don't hurt. Alright, guys. I used 5 pack of braids. I could have used 6, but the time was so hot and I like, Jesus Christ, I don't want so much braid on my hair. So I just do it thin and nice. Go ahead and make yourself happy by using the 6 or whatever. But I just use 5. And when I reach to the back, you will realize that I leave out some of the space to the back. It's because, trust me, it's time hot. It's hot bad. As summer, it's hot. I don't want too much things for my head. And it's something like that you want to create. And you see, I have a little bit of space, and I just help myself by putting a next piece of hair there, so that yeah. And you can do that elastic metal all over the head. It would make everywhere look like that. Like, if you can't do the elastic, it will make all of your hair look like singles. But in my case, girl, I just want my front to look like it's pretty. Once my front of my head look good enough, I don't care. Once the front of my hair is nice, I don't really too much about the back. And then this is the day after I did the look, and I just wear it catch up like that day, just like that. And now I'm pulling it out, and to show you guys how it look. And this is how it look. And then I was doing a get ready with me and a vlog this day, so I just finished out the video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a comment, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, please. Bye. See you in my next video. Guys, this is where I was telling you I leave out some because it was too hard, man. Too hard, man. And then I do my little scoop it up, scoop it up, scoop it up, and that was it. Love you guys. Mwah. Stay safe, okay?